Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. On this channel, we practice English using real and natural conversations.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, it really helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Today, we're talking about something very nice and positive.
That's right. Today's topic is happy memories.
We will learn how to talk about your favorite memories in English.
First, we'll have a short warm-up conversation.
Then, we'll have a longer and natural conversation about our own happy memories.
After that, we'll give you some useful example sentences you can use in daily life.
We'll also practice a short conversation in another situation, like at a party.
And at the end, we'll review some important words together.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
So, Jack, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good. The weather is nice and the sun is shining.
That's great. Sunny days always make me feel happy.
Me too. They make me think about good times in my life.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I did. My weekend was simple but very pleasant.
What did you do?
I called my family back home. We talked for a long time and laughed a lot.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, it was. It already feels like a happy memory.
I agree. Talking with family is very special.
What about you, Emma? Did you have a happy moment recently?
Yes, I did. I baked some cookies at home.
Oh, really? That sounds fun.
It was. The cookies made my apartment smell amazing.
Did you eat all of them?
Not all of them, but I ate a few.
Baking can bring back memories.
Exactly. It reminded me of my grandmother's house. She used to bake cookies all the time.
See? Happy memories can come from small things, like cookies.
That's true, and that's a perfect way to start our topic today.
So, Emma, when we talk about happy memories, where should we start?
Maybe we should start with childhood.
That's a good idea. Childhood memories are often very strong.
What is the first happy memory you think of?
That's easy. My 6th birthday party.
Tell me about it. What made it special?
It was a garden party. My mom made a cake shaped like a butterfly.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
All my friends from school were there.
What did you do at the party?
We played games like Pass the Parcel and musical chairs.
Musical chairs. I always lost that game.
Me too. I was never fast enough.
But it's still fun.
Yes, the best part was the treasure hunt.
A treasure hunt?
Yes, my dad made little maps and we ran around the garden.
What were you looking for?
Chocolate coins. I remember feeling so excited.
That sounds like a perfect happy memory. My first happy memory is a little different.
Really? Tell me about it.
I was very young, maybe 4 or 5 years old.
What were you doing?
I was sitting on the kitchen floor.
That's interesting.
My mom was cooking soup and the sun was coming through the window.
That sounds very peaceful.
She was singing softly. I felt safe and warm.
Can you remember the smell?
Yes, I can still remember the smell of the soup.
That's beautiful.
It's amazing how smells and sounds can bring back memories.
I agree. Happy memories stay with us forever.
They really can. A song, a smell, or even a taste can bring back memories.
That's true. Your memory is about a small, quiet moment, and mine is about a big event.
But both are happy memories. That's what matters.
Exactly. What about school days? Do you have any happy memories from school?
Yes, I do. I remember my science teacher, Mr. Davis.
What was special about him?
He made learning fun. One day, we made volcanoes with baking soda and vinegar.
Oh, I remember doing that.
The volcanoes exploded everywhere. The classroom was very messy.
Were the students in trouble?
No, we were all laughing, and Mr. Davis wasn't angry at all.
I love teachers like that.
Me too. My other happy school memory is from art class.
Really?
Yes, I wasn't very good at art, but my teacher, Mrs. Allen, always said, "Emma, I love your colors."
That's very kind.
She made me feel confident. It's a great memory when someone believes in you.
That's true.
What about your teenage years? Any happy memories?
Teenage years were difficult, but I do have one good memory.
Tell me about it.
Learning to drive with my dad.
Was he nervous?
Very nervous, but he was patient.
That's nice.
I remember the first time I drove on the highway. I was scared.
That's normal.
My dad said, "You can do this. Just look ahead."
That must have helped.
It did. When we got home, he said, "I'm proud of you."
That's a powerful memory.
Yes, it meant a lot to me.
One of my happy memories is my first job.
Your first job, really?
Yes, I worked in a restaurant washing dishes.
That's hard work.
It was, but I felt independent. I earned my own money.
What did you do with your first paycheck?
I bought flowers for my mom.
That's lovely.
The smile on her face is what I remember most.
That's a beautiful memory.
Now let's talk about adult life, happy memories with friends.
Definitely. I remember a trip to Scotland with my friends Mark and Tom.
Oh yes, the rainy trip.
Exactly. It rained every day.
That doesn't sound fun.
The tent leaked and everything was wet.
Oh no.
But we laughed a lot. We cooked bad food and told stories.
So the bad weather made it better.
Yes, the hard moments made the memories stronger.
I understand that. My memory like that is from university.
What happened?
It was finals week. Everyone was stressed.
That's always a tough time.
My friend Lily and I studied in the library all night.
That sounds exhausting.
At 4 a.m., we were so tired we started laughing for no reason.
I've been there.
We bought terrible coffee from a machine.
But you remember it happily.
Yes, because we were together.
That shows something important.
Happy memories aren't always about perfect situations.
They're about the people you share them with.
That's right.
So, what about a recent happy memory from last year?
Let me think. One of my happiest memories from last year is when we adopted Sunny, our cat.
Oh, yes, I remember that day.
She was very small and very shy.
She hid under the sofa, right?
Yes, she stayed there all day.
We were worried.
Then, in the evening, she came out and sat on my lap.
That was a special moment.